Cause I'm ready, cause I'm ready, cause I'm ready. I can see the blue on your face, the orange in the space, the green by your hair, but the black's always there. I'm feeling in color, and it feels like red wine tonight. I can see the blue in you, think you wanna sexualize. I hope that the time is right. I can see the blue on your face, the orange in your space, the red by your chest, and the purple in your breath. Feeling in color. I will pull up to your crib, running shoes and a hoodie, just to show you exactly what we could be. But it ain't that deep, that's what you told me. And if you think so, then what you say goes. And you told me to always keep things out of eye with you. Said if you're too judgmental, people gonna lie to you. I know. And every time I break a heart, I seem to make another hope. And that's probably why they all blame me for what they can't do and what they go through. And it seems like they all blame me for being crazy and just being me. And sometimes I feel like I just really wanna help it. I can't help when all you do is keep those words to yourself. And I love you be the biggest turn on when we fuck until we done and realize that it really means nothing. But for now I'm just a guy with a dream, oh baby.